We're coming after you, birds. You're getting hunted. This is great though. Chasing birds, marking new waypoints. Oh, one pretty close. I'm gonna get you, bird. Here we go. Oh, there he goes. All right. Oh, see him going down? Look how deep he goes. Where'd he go? He went all the way to the bottom. For real? Is he waiting it out? For real, y'all, he's not. He's under the boat, I believe. What's he look like on 2D? Is that him right there? Oh, that's not a fish, that's a bird. Come on, man, that's crazy. Where did they go? They all went underwater. Like our secrets have been revealed. All right, we're in a good spot here. I'm just gonna have to call it right there. Maybe I'll snag a bird. Hover strolling. Here we go. Wait, let's try to maximize our efforts here. Okay, so we're throwing more this way. What if those are just birds? Very well could be birds after what I just saw on live scope. Learn about fish behavior, or learn about bird behavior. Here's part of my problem. I'm so used to fishing at 65, 70 feet. And that's how I know to maximize my cast pretty much. There's my bait. All right, finally, I got something going. Try to keep it moving. There's a lot of them. They're just lethargic. None of this sounds good. Oh, that doesn't look good. Not at all. That is actually super bad. So I've broke a rod. Whoa, that was bigger than a dam. That's what we want. That sounds like somebody just jumped a freaking cinder block in the water. Okay, we're gonna try this again. That's a beaver or something out there. Or an otter. There's something chasing it. There's something big chasing it. Holy crap. He gave up. That's the moment they gave up. Oh, I see him feeding on the shad. I'm gonna put on that other one, that thing that makes me mad. I'm gonna throw it. I'm gonna throw that thing that makes me mad. Wow, look at them eating. They are eating good. My fish finder done went dim on me. That means it's time to put up the lights. Where did the light go? I know I had it. I just seen it. Seems to be working. Junk Fishin' has been brought to you by
Alfie, the middle-aged dog with a middle-aged haircut.